Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Edup AX3000 Mbps outdoor Wi-Fi extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. In the first step, plug the Edup AX3000 extender into a power socket near your router. Wait 30 to 40 seconds. The power LED should turn solid, green/blue depending on model. If LEDs keep flashing randomly, give it a minute to stabilize. The WPS button is usually located on the back panel, next to the Wi-Fi on/off button, near the LAN ports. It may be labeled as WPS, WPS/reset, or have a 2-arrow symbol forming a circle. Hold the WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED starts blinking, meaning the router is waiting for a device to connect. The router now stays in WPS pairing mode for about 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router WPS, press the WPS button on the Edup AX3000 extender. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on the extender will start flashing. This indicates it is trying to pair with your router. It usually takes 30 to 60 seconds to connect. During this time, the WPS LED on the extender will blink. Once connected, it will turn solid, green/blue. Some models may show increased signal strength LEDs. If the light stays blinking or turns red, it means the pairing failed. You may need to repeat the process. After a successful WPS pairing, the extender creates new networks, your Wi-Fi_XT, 2.4 GHz, or your Wi-Fi_5G XT, 5 GHz. No password is required to set, it automatically copies your main router's password. Once paired, unplug the extender. Move it to a place between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area. WPS setup successful. Your Edup AX3000 outdoor extender is now fully connected and boosting your router's Wi-Fi network. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.